Yeah, what's up, y'all? So we finna take a look through the Nike outlet of Chicago. Y'all see we got everything. We got the Jordan Dunks, them on sale right now. We got all the Jordan apparel that's going on sale. Y'all know the hoodies on sale. You see the 30% off. So go ahead, come check it out. This little Jordan shirt I end up grabbing. Think I was looking for a 2X. I end up getting one of them. Got all y'all Jordan apparel, you know what I'm saying? Look at that sale. $29 if you got these. Match the shoes. That right there, 79. That's an okay deal. That's an okay deal. Then we got the sales rack, the Jordan hoodies. Don't forget, everything on sale, so screenshot that so y'all can know them prices. Nice little hoodie set, you see you got the gray one right there, you got the black one was on the wall. I actually got the black one and the cream one. Yeah, I want the cream one. Got the little Jordan basketball shirt, shorts. Them was actually on sale too, excuse me for the cough. I'm in here rocking the fives. So we do got sales, you know what I'm saying? If y'all want to come to the Chicago Nike outlet, located on 87th in Cottage Grove, definitely come check it out. Got them Easter eggs, got the Panda Dunks, you got a little $60 special, $79 special. Wait till we get to this back wall though. The back wall was decent. I think they have some red and white dunks for $20. Yeah, got all the little shocks, Nike shocks. Them was for the low. Little turfs, them for the low. Got the decent little special though. Y'all ever in town, you got them orange and black dunks. Whenever y'all in town, you know what I'm saying, y'all definitely come check out the Nike outlet. You might see something you like. Got all them on sale. Look at him with the 14s. This is a little slight exclusive. They only got a few styles, few sizes left in them, so I know y'all be liking little stuff like that. It was a quick little walkthrough, just to show y'all what's going on, keep you a little updated on the shoes. So if y'all do the Nike outlet review, make sure y'all let us know where you doing a review at. It's people that like the outlet hop. Got the Honey Buns, Air Force Ones, 115. Some of these boxes though be looking crisp. Got the little lady section, you know, the little baby feet for the ladies, you know what I'm saying? Y'all ladies that's size 5.5, size 5. Got some slight for you. Don't forget the sale. The sales is always on the wall. Got them spikes. Little baby shoes. Y'all looking for the baby shoes that's in the 2s and the 3s with a hard bottom, definitely go to the Nike outlet. You'll catch it. Most retail stores don't carry them sizes. Yeah, got the white and blue spikes. Okay. Some slight, some slight. Got the shocks for the kids. Some slight. Size 4. $84. You can't beat it. Plus it was 30% off of the 84. Which was a better deal. That's me again, you know, checking out the drip. Some decent. Them cool too. I ain't never seen them. Them Say the Kid spikes with the glow in the dark bottom. Them nice. They loaded. $94. You can't beat it. Kids bottoms glows in the dark. You get the little 2 for $20 on the Nike shirts. Take $10 a piece. Can't lose on that. That's a, man, how little son going to school looking decent. Yeah, we outside enjoying this good old weather, you know. I ain't want to get copywritten. The music all in the stove, you know what I'm saying? They was doing too much. But here go the adult Nike shirts. They change up every 2 weeks, but they 2 for $30. $15 a piece. You can't lose. Got some little Nikes that go with some. Go and grab a shirt. Bow. Put you in the game, coach. Alright, y'all, so, man, we gonna end this little video, you know what I'm saying? It was definitely what it was. I'm not saying what I'm saying in the video, so my lips and what I'm saying ain't matching, but forgive me. Y'all stay tuned, though. You know, you saw the kid shoes, you can definitely go get your shorty something. Y'all see they got 2C. But, Yeah, this is the Chicago Nike Outlet update for the Father's Day weekend. Showing y'all what they got, what they don't got. Stay tuned for more videos.